Hi everyone, welcome to another one of our tutorial videos. This is for MSAD 46 for our Educator Effectiveness and Evaluation program. This is Matt Drewette-Card. I am the Curriculum Director for the District of MSAD 46. And what this short video is going to do today is go through how to attach some evidence to an observation. It's different than attached to the growth plan. So if you're doing a peer observation or you're doing a self-observation, how about we attach evidence to it, whether it's photos, documents, etc. So the first place to start is we're going to start a peer observation, let's say, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a self one. I'm on myself, and my name here is Practice Teacher, as you can see up here from the top. And just like doing any kind of normal observation on anyone, you would go through this process to select the form. I'm going to choose Domain 1, as that's our main area for measuring and for checking people and for doing evaluations, etc. You know what I'm trying to say. So what we're going to do here is when you're in here, you see, well, what are the elements that I'm looking for? Let's say I'm doing an observation and I notice that there are some learning goals. And let's say I see that it's posted and that it's been clearly identified and the teacher has made reference to it in the time that I was there and students can explain and can do this. All right, a couple of pieces of evidence. I've looked at the scale and I've decided that not only is the teacher doing it, but the teacher or myself is also monitoring for its effectiveness. As it says up here, the desired effect is, do students understand the learning goal, what the scale means? Is that happening? And am I monitoring to see if that's happening? Yeah, I think so. So, all right, so I'm going to go to applying. But what I also want to do for this is I want to take some pictures, and I've been taking pictures, or a video, and I also have some documents that I want to upload. So what I'm going to do here is add an attachment to go along with my observation and evidence. So there's a couple ways of doing this. The first is to add it directly into iObservation. What you would do there is come down to where this says Attachments here and choose File. And what I'm going to do here is let's just say I'm going to attach this, the Dexter Tiger mascot. Okay. Upload that, and then once I've chosen that file, it's very important to upload the attachment. Press that, and there it is. That was tricky. So there it is. It's now uploaded into my attachment. If I wanted to add another one, I would say Add Attachment. And there you go. You can just add more and more. I could add it again if I wanted to. I'll add this. Oh no, this is a logo for our school in Suzhou. And I'll upload that, and there you go. See, easy to upload right there. But let's just say I don't really want to go through this process of uploading all the little things into the elements here and to the observation form. And instead, when I take my pictures and I have my evidence, I want to upload it. I upload it right to Google Drive, to a folder there. And I want to share that folder with my colleague. Can I do that here? And the answer is yeah. All you do here is, what I would do is in the comments section, I'd say something like I took, if I could spell right, took pictures, see them here, and then whatever, google.com/me/folder, whatever the folder drive is, whatever the drive folder is that you have, as long as the other person can see it, access it, and get it, they'll be able to see it. They can just, once this is finalized, which I'll show you in a second, what they can do is they can just copy it and paste it in. So what I've done here is I've done this. Okay, so I added my link to my Google Drive folder, and that'll come up in the comments, and you can see the pictures there. Doing it this way might be a little bit easier if you're really used to using Google Drive, and if you're really used to just uploading stuff and sharing things through there, so you don't have to keep coming back into here when you're doing observations. You could just be collecting a lot of evidence and then say, here's the evidence that I collected, and I'll share it with you here. It's all in one place. So instead of having to upload each individual pictures, let's say you took 10 pictures, instead of uploading them all here, or 10 documents, you can have them all in a folder and say, here's all the evidence for this in this particular folder. Okay? It's just that simple. There's two ways of doing it. And of course, when you are finished, every time you're finished with an observation, there's a couple options up here. If you save and close it, that means it's saved as a draft. And if it saves as a draft, it has not been finalized. You can keep editing it and adding more to it. Once you press finish, It brings you, are you sure that you want to finish this form? When a form is finished, it becomes read-only and is submitted. The assigned user is able to view finished read-only observations. That means it can't be changed. So I'm going to press finish, and it should be done. Okay, and there it is. What I can then do, this was done today, May 2nd, and I can come down and I can see this is what I chose for myself. I took pictures. You can see them here. I can copy this, highlight, and then with right click or with Control or Open Apple C, copy, and then I can paste it into the URL, and it'll take me right to that particular link. Or I can see, click here just to see the video, the pictures or videos or attachments that I was uploaded. So it's that simple to upload an attachment to an observation. If you have any questions, you can email me. You know where to find me on the district. And good luck and take care.